Intercepted by Santa Maria to Puliran. Puliran penetrates, lays up, yes, 2 points for Puliran. Pull up Jace, agad wala, rebound. Put back, yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Galope. Wide wall sa Gadley, no good. Rebound by Baguio. Put back, yes, 2 points, Baguio. To Santa Maria, yes, 2 points. We're Santa Maria. To Sepenta, 14 to shoot. Intercepted by Hulaska to Puliran. Puliran. To Abelio, yes. Basket count plus a foul. Basket count plus foul number 22. Illegal use of hands. Bonus throw for Santa Maria. Attacks the rim. Yes, 2 points for Santa Maria. Deflected. Intercepted by Abilio to Puliran. Puliran lays up. Yes, 2 points for Puliran. Penetrates. Trap pass. Intercepted by Dignos. To Galope. Galope accelerates. Galope attacks the rim. No good. Rebound by Galope again. Pull up J at the middle. Yes, 2 points for Galope. To Hulaska to Vicente. Off the glass. Too strong. Rebound by Hulaska. Put back. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Casulia. Baguio, pull up J, yes, 2 points, war Baguio. Santa Maria to Puliran, pull up J along to, no good, rebound by Vicente. Put back, block by Dignos, rebound. First throw is good, last throw jumpers. Long pass to Sabelio. Sabelio throws a foul. Who's foul, ref? First throw is good. Last throw, jumpers ready. Miss the basket. Rebound. To Galope. Galope, umatake. Yes, 2 points for Galope. Daloso lays up. Yes, 2 points for Daloso. Galope to Dignos. Back to Galope. To Leo Veras. 14 to shoot. To Virano. Pull up. In and out. Rebound by Baguio. Put back. Yes, 2 points for Baguio. Baco. To Daloso. Back to Bacos. 14 to shoot. To Daloso, pull up J along to short. A rebound by Arendayan, he has 2 points. Galope to Baguio at the middle. Pull up J, he has 2 points for Baguio off the glass shot. Galope. Looking for an opening to Leo Veras. 14 to shoot, penetrates, kick-out pass to Galope. From the rainbow, bang! 3 points, Galope! First throw is good. Last throw, jumpers ready. To Daloso, yes, 2 points for Daloso. 30 seconds time. First throw basket count. Leo Veras committed his second personal foul of the game. To Baguio at the middle. Baguio. Yes, 2 points for Baguio. Puliran. To Abilio. Santa Maria has 2 points. A lob pass. Santa Maria, yes, 2 points for Santa Maria. Pass to Puliran. Off the glass, yes, 2 points for Puliran. To 70. To Leo Veras. Drop pass to Ilaya, yes, 2 points. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Santa Maria. Drop pass to Abilio, yes, 2 points, Abilio. Galope. To Casulla. Pull up J along 2, yes, 2 points for Casulla. Galope. To Ilaya. Lays up, yes, 2 points for Ilaya. Bacon. Galope. Penetrates. To Ilaya, pull up J, yes, 2 points, Ilaya. Back to Bacos, to Sabilio, off the glass, yes, 2 points, Sabilio. Galope. "14 to shoot. To Baguio, from the rainbow. Bang! 3 points, Baguio. Arendayan, from downtown. Bang! 3 points, Arendayan. 40 seconds. Bacos fires for 3. Bang! 3 points, Bacos. To Sabelio. To Daloso. Yes, 2 points. 15 seconds. Outlet pass to Hulaska. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Abilio from the rainbow. Yes, 3 points for Abilio. To Abilio. To Hulaska. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Puliran. 10 to shoot. To be Vicente. Block by Verano. Put back by Hulaska. No Gregan. Puliran. Abelio Sagadli. Bang! 3 points, Abelio. To Hulaska, to Abelio. Back to Hulaska. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. Pass to Via Vicente. Yes, 2 points for Via Vicente. No good, rebound. By Hulaska, put back. Yes, 2 points for Hulaska. To Bacos. Sorry, Diana Sabed. By Casulla to Galope. Lays up. Yes, 2 points for Galope. Bacos. To Arindayan. To Aguilar. To Daloso at the middle. Yes, 2 points for Daloso. No Gregan, rebound by Casulla. Yes, 2 points for Casulla. Daloso to Bacos. Yes, 2 points, Bacos. Casulla lays up. Basket count plus a foul. Basket count plus foul number 21. Illegal use of hands. Bonus throw for Casulla. To Bacos, yes, 2 points, Bacos. First throw is good, last throw, jumpers ready. Super 2 for Daloso. Leo Veras to Dignos along 2, no good. Rebound to Bacos. Bacos lays up. Yes, 2 points. Bacos. 70. 14 to shoot, deflected, intercepted by Sabelio. Sabelio accelerates. Yes, 2 points for Sabelio. To Sabelio. Sabelio lays up. No good. Rebound by Bacos. Blocked by Dignos. Rebound by to Arindayan. Yes, 2 points. Arindayan. 30 seconds. Arbas to Abilio. Rebelio fires for 3. No good rebound to Laska. Yes, 2 points to Laska. To Billion, set by Galope. To Galope, Rabas, to Baguio. To Laya, yes, to Casola. Aska to Abilio. To Santa Maria is in the glass, yes, 2 points, Santa Maria. To Abilio, yes, 2 points, Abilio. Rabas to Galope. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. To Ilaya. No rebound by Baguio. Block. To Verano. Yes, 2 points. Verano. Santa Maria. Labas to Villa Vicente. To Hulasca. Yes, 2 points. Hulasca. Abilio lays up. Yes, 2 points. Abilio. To Hulasca Rapas. Block. Hulasca. To Hulasca drive. Yes, 2 points. Hulasca. To Baguio. 14 seconds to shoot to Casolia. Yes, 2 points. Casolia. To Santa Maria na pass. To Puleran. Back to Santa Maria to Puleran. Yes, 2 points. Puleran. Galope. Rabas. Yes, 2 points. Ilaya. "14 seconds to shoot. Yes, 2 points. Hulasca. Number 22 committed fourth personal foul of the game. Warning for fouled out. Yes, 1 point. To Galope. No good. Rebound by Ilaya. Yes, 2 points. Ilaya. To Bacos Ravas. To Daloso. Yes, 2 points. Daloso. The pass to Abilio. Lays up. Yes, 2 points. Abilio. Yes, 2 points. Ilaya. To Bacos Ravas. To Aguilar. With reset by Leo Veras. To Galope drive. Yes, 2 points. Galope. 10 seconds to shoot. To Baguio. And a basket count plus a foul. The basket count foul number 19. Illegal use of foul. Yes, content 3 for all. For Baguio. Ilaya to Baguio. Last 2 minutes. To Sabilio. Sabilio pass to Aguilar. Yes, 2 points. Aguilar. To Sabilio. To Bacos. Lays up. Yes, 2 points. Bacos. From the rainbow. Yes, 3 points. Sabilio. 20 seconds.
Puliran to Santa Maria, drop pass. That's 2 points for jersey number 39. Puliran. To Abilio, Sagadli. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Put back. No good again. But a put back 2 points for Santa Maria.
Bajos. To the Loso, lays up. No good. A rebound. Rin dahil put back. Yes, 2 points.